there they are. Hi. How was your shower? Okay? You found your towel and the body wash and shampoo and everything you needed? Okay, good. Okay. Here. I kept your spot warm. You have enough blankets? Okay. You smell amazing, by the way. I know. I'm getting so tired, too. Are you alright, though? You look all scrunched up over there. You can come closer, you know. Babe, sweetheart, relax. I'm not trying to start anything. We don't have to do anything that you're not ready for yet. I have no intentions tonight. I just want to rest and relax with my new partner. I know you're really shy and really nervous, and I just want you to know that we can be chill. We can go at your pace. I have no problem with that, sweetheart. Whoa. Did you hear that? It sounds like a storm is rolling in. Oh, I love listening to the rain, especially at night. It's so relaxing. Oh, I'm going to be sleeping so good. You want to cuddle? Okay. Yeah, we can cuddle. Come here, little spoon. Oh, I gotcha. Come here. Yeah. Oh, there's the rain. What's up, Buttercup? You're shaking. Do you not like the rain? It's not gonna... What? Oh, you don't like the thunder. Oh, I'm so sorry. No. Don't worry, baby. I got you. I'll hold you till it's over. Come here. Lay right here on my chest. That's it. I'll put my arm around you like that. And I'll scratch your back like this. Just gentle, soft. Just a little bit of pressure. How's that? Good? Okay. What else can I do to help? Do you want to watch a movie or something? Just to, drown out the sound of the storm and, take your mind off of it, or? No? Are you sure? Okay. Oh, I feel so bad. I didn't know it'd be raining tonight. And I didn't know that you didn't like thunder either. Oh, I'm so sorry, honey. Well, I hope that you can fall asleep fast so that you don't have to worry about the storm for too long. Here, what if we just talk for a while? Would that help? Yeah? Okay. What was your favorite part of today? Oh, the art museum, yeah. I always have such a good time down there. I'm really glad that I was able to share it with you. There's so many amazing pieces there, huh? I think my favorite part of the day was our picnic in the park after the museum. It was just so relaxing and calming and peaceful, you know? It was really exciting not knowing what the other person was going to bring, too. I loved those sandwiches that you made. They were so good. Oh, you liked my summer salad? Oh, good, good. I'm glad. It's a family recipe. It's super easy to make. I can show you next time I make it. Your potato salad that you made was pretty damn good too. Just so you know. Oh no, it's okay. I got you. I'll save you. I'm so sorry that it's a lot for you to handle, babe. But it's not close. It's super far away. You can tell by how long it takes the sound to get here after the lightning. Hey, don't apologize. I'm glad that I can be here to give you even a little bit of comfort right now. I would hate it even more if you were alone and having to deal with this by yourself. I know how much that sucks. I do. I have fears too. I'm human, just like you. What are they? Well, just promise that you won't judge. Okay. I have a really bad and irrational fear of dentists. It's true. There's a whole story behind it. I also don't really care for bats all that much. There's a whole story behind that too. Also, up until I was a freshman in high school, I was really scared of the dark as well. I would sleep with my TV on just because I was so scared of the darkness, you know? Oh, no. It's okay. I'm not too scared of the dark anymore now. Especially with another person here with me. You see? You're helping me a little bit too. I am not just saying that. Everyone's afraid of something. Mine just happens to be dentists and bats. Oh no. Cuddle closer. I got you. Oh, it's okay. I hold you so tight. Oh. Just focus on my breathing, love. The sound of my voice. The smell of my cologne. Can you even still smell it? Oh, you can. Okay. Alright, good. You want me to tell you a story? Okay. Let me think of one. Okay. I think I got one. When I was going to film school out south, my dog was out there with me when I was living with my mom. One day, she was going to give me a ride to class, and my dog was going to come with her, so we went outside and she went to open the back on her hatchback to let him in, but her her finger slipped. I guess it sounded to my dog like the door opened because he jumped anyway, and he face planted against the back window before landing back on his feet and looking around like nobody saw that, right? And what made it even funnier is that the window was like super dirty, So, like, right where he hit it, you could see, like, this perfect nose print in the dirt. Oh, God. Man, I loved that dog. He was a riot. Did you fall asleep? You did. Good. I'm so glad that you're getting some good sleep. I love you. And I'll tell you that soon. But for now, just rest. Let your mind wander into the furthest galaxies and the grandest adventures. I'll be right here next to you when you wake up. My arms around you, keeping you safe.